Hello everyone, it's Monica here and welcome to my video about switchwords. In this video, I would like to talk to you about how you can become magnetic with switchwords. In this video, I would like to explain to you how you can use switchwords to get best results to create the reality you deserve. As you might already know, switchwords are magical words or one-word mantra affirmations that easily bypass your conscious mind and connect you directly to your subconscious mind, telling it exactly what it is you would like to do it for you. Switchwords are one of the most effective and fast way to reprogram your subconscious mind and to get what you want fast. Switchwords have worked miracles in my life and also have helped thousands of my clients and patients. I believe that they will work for you very well as well. So how can you use switchwords for the best results? Basically, there is no precise way how you can use them. The best way to use them is simply say them, chant them, or write down a specific switchword on a piece of paper. The simple rule here is, the more times you chant the switchword or the more times you write it down, the better and faster result. You can also write the switchword on a piece of paper and put a glass of water on it, and the water will absorb the frequency and energy from the switchwords. And then, when you start drinking the water, you will absorb the frequency of the switchword. And that way, this will also enhance your manifestation power. I also recommend other techniques and reality creation principles, and I would recommend that you combine them all to get best results. And the reason is that everyone is slightly different and everyone has different things and issues to work on. So that's why I recommend that you combine all those principles and techniques, and you can watch those in my other videos. And once you apply the switchwords and you do the homework, believe me, you will be blown away. Also, I would like to tell you to use your imagination and intention. With reality creation, including using and applying switchwords, don't demand to get what you want, don't ask or demand, but have intention instead. Have intention on what it is you would like and be clear on what it is you do want. Also have strong why and good reason to achieve what you want. Be hungry, okay? Have attitude that it will be okay if it happens, and also it will be great if it doesn't. You have to drop the importance of your dreams and wishes and also let go of your own importance. If you can't completely let go of the importance, just simply try to reduce it. Be okay if it happens and be okay if it doesn't, because this simply means that there is something much better waiting for you. Okay? Also, when you drop the importance of yourself and your dreams, this will allow the door open for your dreams to come into your life. And once you let go of the importance, you will be okay with any result, basically. Okay? The important thing here is that you focus on the final result. Also believe that you can have what you want and that you deserve it. This means to use your outer intention, which is using your manifestation muscle, which I describe in my other videos. Don't use your pity intention, which is basically here in the forehead. It means you want something very badly, it's very important to you. But when you use the outer intention, you will get miraculous results, okay? So let's say when you place the order on the internet, you are ordering a product on the internet, or you would like to buy a book, you know for sure that it will be delivered to you, isn't it? It's like going to the mailbox, getting your mail. You know that the mail will be in the mailbox. It's not a big deal. And the same goes, for example, if you would like to buy newspapers. You have your favorite newspaper, and if you can find it in the first shop, or if they don't have it in that shop, you can find the same magazine in different shop, or perhaps you can buy a different one, which will be even better for you. And it's not a big deal because you know that once you place the order, it's on its way. And the same process goes for the reality creation and also manifestation. This principle will work miracles, and if you apply it, you will be blown away with the results. Now I will summarize what you need to do for using switchwords. You have to drop the importance of your dreams and drop your own importance. You have to believe that you can have what you want and that you deserve it. Also, you have to believe that the universe will get you what you want. That there is your reality already existent in the near future. And imagine that your wish has been already manifested and act as if. Okay, that's all from me for this video. And until I see you next time, be healthy, be happy, be wise. Bye bye for now.